On the contrary, however, over the past few days, we have seen incidents which confirm that our main opponents, the opposition PNP, is neither suitable nor ready to govern Jamaica. Their utterances and general posture and attitude project arrogance. It reflects an egregious lack of principle, and it signals a willingness, as it were, to engage in acts of intimidation in apparent breach of the code, the political code of conduct. Team JLP has noted reports of a PNP candidate and his supporters appearing to intentionally posture in a way which signaled a willingness to obstruct or otherwise impede a lawful tour being undertaken by our Prime Minister and Party Leader, Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, and one of our candidates over recent days. We have seen disrespectful declarations by PNP supporters that the Jamaica Labour Party members and supporters, to include our Prime Minister and Party Leader, cannot come into an area which they clearly regard as their stronghold and feel as though they have ownership and superintendence over that area. We have also seen and heard a PNP activist and well-known PNP blogger on social media threatening that he is willing to open gunfire, kill people, and turn Jamaica into Haiti if his party, the PNP, loses the upcoming general election. The menacing and threatening words that emanated while the individual pledged his loyalty to the PNP candidate in St. Elizabeth is indeed disturbing. As law-abiding Jamaicans, we note and welcome reports in the news media that the individual has been taken into police custody. We also note persistent attacks by the PNP on the media, an important and indispensable pillar in our democratic system of governance. We were neither shocked nor surprised by the PNP's subsequent public admission by way of a media release that they have moved to blacklist all proposed questioners from a particular media entity in the upcoming national debates being organized by the Jamaica Debates Commission. Of note, also, is the PNP's desperate, unwarranted, and quite frankly, childish move to report to the Broadcasting Commission journalists merely because they did not want to be criticized or did not like how they were criticized by the respective journalists. These unprincipled actions do not augur well, nor do they accord with the democratic traditions we hold dear and resolve to uphold and preserve as well-thinking and well-meaning Jamaicans. All in all, ladies and gentlemen, the PNP's actions in relation to the press reveal that they are prepared to be vindictive, oppressive, and dictatorial, using political power to exact vengeance and pursue witch hunts.